morning, children. I hope you all are well. Children, today we are going to learn a new sound, the sound of letter W. But before that, we will revise the sound which you have learned earlier. So, children, let's begin. The sound and action of diagram AI is A. A. The sound and action of letter J is ch, ch. The sound and action of diagram OA is O, O. The sound and action of diagram IE is I, I. The sound and action of diagram EE is E, E. The sound and action of diagram OR is O, O. The sound and action of letter Z is S, S, Z, Z. Now, children, we will learn the new sound, the sound of letter W. The sound and action of letter W is Now, children, I will sing a song with the W sound. I see the clouds moving, wah wah wah. I see the kite flying, wah wah wah. I see the trees bending, wah wah wah. The wind is blowing strong. Children, I will repeat again. I see the clouds moving, wah wah wah. I see the kites flying, wah wah wah. I see the trees bending, wah wah wah. The wind is blowing strong. Now, children, we will learn words with the W sound. W, web. W, web. W, wet. W, wet. W, well. W, well. Worm. Worm. Watch. Watch. Window. Window. Water. Water. Wolf. Wolf. Wheel. Wheel. World. World. Now, children, you have to watch the video and learn the sound. Thank you. Now, children, from your book Creative Beginning, Language Skill, page number 17, worksheet number 13. Topic: letter and sound W. Circle the objects that begin with the sound of letter W. Now, children, here you have to circle the picture, the object that begins with the W sound. Well. Yes, it begins with the W sound, so you have to circle it. Ball. Ball doesn't begin with the W sound, so you have not to circle it. Window. Yes, you have to circle window. Nest. Nest doesn't begin with the W sound, so you have not to circle it. Well. Yes, well. So you have to circle well. Vase. Vase doesn't begin with the word sound, so you have not to circle it. You have to circle the words, the picture, the object that begins with the word sound. Well, window, well. Web, window, well. Now children, you have to trace and write W. Now children, you have to write neatly on the line. You have to trace on the line neatly. Capital W, small w. Capital W, small w. Capital W, small w. Similarly, you have to trace this line. Now children, page number 18. Worksheet number 14. Topic, letter and sound W. W-E-L-L, well. W-E-L-L, well. Well. W-E-B, web. W-E-B, web. Web. W-A-T-C-H, watch. W-A-T-C-H, watch. Watch. Now children, you have to trace and write small w. Small w. Now children, here you have to trace capital W. Now children, trace and write. T-H-E, the. W-E-L-L, well. R-S, is. D-E-E-P, deep. The well is deep. T-H-E, the. W-E-L-L, well. R-S, is. D-E-E-P, deep. The well is deep. I-C-A-N, can. S-E-E-C, A. W-E-B, web. I can see a web. I-C-A-N, can. S-E-E-C, A. W-E-B, web. I can see a web. Children, see that you do the worksheet neatly. Parents, please guide your children in doing the worksheet. Thank you.